We brought this full-time MBA program to the UAE because there's a real need here. This is one of the fastest growing, most dynamic regions of the world. When you speak to employers, one of the things that they tell you is what they need is MBA talent.
The Stern at NYU Abu Dhabi one-year full-time MBA is a program that's been designed to have maximum regional impact. Our program is targeting a global audience that has aspirations to either start their career or build their career in the MENA region.
The program runs from January through December.
We cover a full curriculum in 1 year. The design of the program is modular. Students will spend the first semester covering the core curriculum. These courses include finance, marketing, strategy, accounting. Once they've completed that first semester of courses, they will then spend the summer semester in New York City. There, they will take elective courses. After the summer semester is completed in New York, they come back to Abu Dhabi to finish the program. So this last semester, again, they have a new set of electives.
A great feature of our program is spending time with leading companies here in the UAE in actual real projects that companies have asked us to help with. In addition to that, you'll spend a term in New York getting to see what global business is like in a leading business center of the world.
The Experiential Learning Internship will be with some of the largest organizations here in the UAE. Students will be matched with projects that they get to work on with local companies that are aligned with their interests and their career goals.
And when you think about the uniqueness of the UAE, we're at a crossroads right now where the UAE is growing at a rapid pace, but there's lots of opportunities for MBA level talent to get involved on projects that you would not get a chance to work on had you been in other countries. You're getting to work on from day one.
So it's this curriculum that we've designed in which employers have said, we feel MBAs need these skills in order to succeed not only in our company, but in the region.
Employers recognize that a Stern degree is different. They recognize that a Stern degree is indicative of the quality that they are going to be hiring. We're looking to attract anybody who has an interest in the region. Anyone from anywhere in the world who has an interest in developing and building their career here in Abu Dhabi, in the UAE, or in the broader MENA region, this program is for you. Come join this journey. This is the beginning of the next 100+ years.